Hi, my name is Michelle Holmes, and welcome to another edition of CMS Forex News. Today is Thursday, April 24th, 2008. The IFO measure of German business climate slipped decidedly to 102.4 in April as business sentiments deteriorated. Outlooks for coming months are dimmer as well. The index for future expectations fell to a reading of 96.8. Along with yesterday's weak Eurozone manufacturing figures, the ECB will have to consider a rate cut. In the U.S., durable goods declined 0.3% in March as orders for autos, planes, and military equipment declined. The core measure, which excludes transportation components, rose 1.5%, surprising forecasts on the upside. The core numbers had a greater impact as the release gave the greenback a boost. Weekly jobless claims came in 33,000 less than last week, and those continuing to receive benefits eased from a four-year high of almost 3 million. Today's decline puts claims at a 2-month low as companies wait to assess economic conditions before laying off more workers. The better-than-expected employment data will also help to lift the U.S. dollar. Finally, from the U.S., new home sales fell 8.5% to an annual pace of 526,000 units, a 17-year low. Even with prices declining more than 13% compared to last year, there was still an oversupply of new homes. The euro fell almost 250 pips to the dollar from today's open and around 350 pips lower than its record high set on Tuesday. The euro's losses accelerated following the German business report. If weak growth continues, it will increase pressure on the ECB to lower rates. The dollar-Swiss franc pair surged today and is also up almost 250 pips for the session. Stocks in the U.S. bounced back from a slow morning and posted modest gains. The Dow was up 135 points by 1 p.m. The better mood among investors increased risk appetite and helped this carry trade pair. The dollar-yen pair also strengthened, climbing to test resistance near Friday's high at 104.50. The pair is up around 170 since Tuesday's low. Other currencies like the pound and Aussie, which are used in carry trade against the yen, were mostly trading in the same ranges as yesterday. In the UK, retail sales fell 0.4% on a monthly basis after 2 months of gains above 1%. Sales compared to a year ago rose 4.6%, higher than forecast. A second release from the UK showed a measure of domestic manufacturing orders slipped to negative 13. Expectations were for a lesser drop to a measure of positive 4. Following the release, the pound-dollar pair had a knee-jerk reaction but eventually traded lower as the European session progressed. By 2 p.m. Eastern Time, the pair tested support near 1.9690 and was traded slightly above 1.97. Tonight, Japan reveals its national and Tokyo consumer prices. Overnight, the UK posts GDP data. Tomorrow, the U.S. will release the revised version of the UMISH consumer sentiment. That's it for today. Join us again tomorrow as we wrap it up for the week here at cmsfx.com.